absolutely love Michelle. She's like one of my favorite people.
So rich, so deep, transformative.
Michelle is one of the most skillful practitioners that I've seen.
All over the world, I meet people who are sacrificing what they want, sacrificing time with their loved ones and their kids, sacrificing their health and their sanity because they think they have to, and it's not necessary. Now, for so many people, money and worth are so conflated, and many people try to augment an impaired sense of worth with money. This rarely works. But I got no financial advice. What I do have is tools to help you change the things that are in your way, because the things that are in your way are not conscious. If they were conscious, you would have changed them already, because most of the things you believe about yourself and the world are in place by age 3, pretty much all of it by 6. This exercise will let us get a sense of your unconscious relationship to money. I would get clients who would come and say this to me. They'd say, I don't want to have to think about money. I don't want to have to deal with it. I just want it to be there when I need it. Imagine if you were advertising for a relationship. And you said, I don't want to have to think about you. I don't want to have to deal with you. Send photo.
If you want to earn an extra $2 or $200,000, this is definitely the course for you. I cannot recommend Michelle Masters and Money Magic enough to anybody that wants a high quality of life.
For me, it really matters that you get what you want and not what you think you need that may not give you what you want.
She's really dynamic. She can bring levity, but really in a grounded sense that actually helps us to stay connected to the material.
The things you don't know, like if it's here, you can open the box and find the things that you've been always looking for. And it's like, oh, finally.
I remember leaving the first Money Magic going, oh my gosh, all right, I can open up a business in a closet and make $700,000. And I did. I literally opened up in a closet and made $790,000. It was just really magical, and it had a lot to do with Money Magic.
To me, mind-blowing.
If nothing else happened but you left here with a fuller sense of your worth, it would be so worth it. Imagine living in a world of people who knew they were okay.